Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday here at Sayezz Pilates and Beyond, where I help you move more deeply and more joyfully into your body as your home, heart open, moving energy. I have my band friend here. Go ahead and grab yours. Also grab a block, a yoga block if you have it. We will use it at the end. So we're gonna get moving and grooving. It's time to continue to build strength in the legs and hips and mobility so that we can get outside and enjoy. So go ahead and hopefully your band is nice and long like mine. You're gonna stand in it and then you're gonna cross the tails. And you're gonna pull and anchor into the hips. I'm gonna turn this way because we're gonna begin with a squat. So gently pull or not so gently pull the feet apart. So you have some tension on the lateral sides of your body. And then just go for it. Down and up. Bend and stretch. And as you do this, really give yourself permission to let the chest drop, arch, and really allow the hips to go back. And it's like you're stretching your pants. Go back. It's a great stretch for the pelvic floor, actually. Sitting bones widen and narrow on the way up. Back and forth. And we're going to be here for a bit. So just let that go, or continue to let that go. In and X. Let that flow is perhaps the more attuned word. In and X. And as we build the heat and that strength and feel the resistance and support of the band, I want to say thank you everyone for being here. Welcome new subscribers. Everyone hit that bell. Fresh videos like this drop every Wednesday and every other Monday. I bring you a quick tip. If you have specific wants and needs, please leave them in the comments. I will create a workout for you. And then check out the description. My new app-based home, The Incoming, is just waiting for you. It's just waiting for you to be a part of our free-for-all Nexus community. So I hope you will come and be a badass being with us and join in the live new and full moon movement practices. In and X. In and X. 2 more there. Down and up and down and up. Excellent. So from here, keep the legs as they are and then just do a little teeter-totter as many times as it takes to go around in one circle, one direction. Feeling, it looks like we're not doing anything, but feel that resistance and that strength building on the lateral sides of your hips especially. So go the opposite way once you make your way forward. Just kind of gazing in wonder at your space. And it's all here. It's so beautiful. And then excellent. I'm gonna do a little extra because now we're gonna put a wave on top. So from here, arch and then curl it up. Arch down, go, 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 go. Drop your head, and it's like your belly button pulls the band up, and then each little vertebra, the back of the neck. There we are. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And again, enjoy that resistance. Keep pushing down through the feet. You don't really have to do much other than hold on to the band to feel that, which is the beauty of our friend here, the band, the elastic band. Inhale. And exhale. And just one more there. In. And X. Ooh, and then around in that teeter-totter, perhaps the opposite way, or the second way you did first this time. Teeter-totter, teeter-totter. Pull your pinkies apart so you're getting some nice ankle strength cultivation as well. And again, just gazing at your space, that you're here, and go ahead and switch directions once you make it back. I love it because it looks like we're not doing anything and you're probably feeling some things. So excellent. So now go ahead and give yourself a little, it's more like a plie. So instead of allowing the hips to reach back, we're just allowing the knees to bend. making this little Z. And it's like you want your booty to be kind of soft so the tailbone stays in relation, in the same, not comme ça, in the same relation to gravity. And then from here, bend, and then pull. Bend, you're really lifting your elbow and your armpit. Bend, and pull into this nice big spiral. So we're already spiraled here. They're already crossed. So we're just following the cross of the band. Reach. Look where you're going. You can arch a bit around. Inhale. Inhale. It's okay if the bands go slack at the bottom. And I'm really doing this rotation of the wrist. So allow that to happen as well. Rotate. In. 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 8 more. Up. 7. 6. 1 more each. Ooh. Take that plie, maybe the feet go a little bit wider, and then both arms lift. I'll be on the diagonal here into a nice big arch. Inhale, inhale, inhale. These are your little wings or your big wings here. Feel the strength. Strength in your entire body. Down, all the lines, down and up, side to side. The spiraling X. Go ahead and cross the bands the opposite way and do that 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale. You can press your pelvis into the band, into that X there. And then drop your head, roll down, allowing the band to loosen, to step out of it. Give a nice big thank you, band. Mwah. Thank you for all your support. I can bring the block forward. Maybe I'll be on a diagonal here. And take a moment just to shimmy, shake it out. Soften those knees and roll it up. And as we take these, and they are little jumps, unless you want to make them very big. The yoga block is really great. We're doing it to roll through the foot. So as we land, we come onto the block, and I'll show you that in a moment, and then we roll through toe ball heel. So just take a moment to kind of prance, prance, and prance. Feel that toe ball heel, toe ball heel. Yeah. And then the beauty of the block is that we get to, it's narrow, and we can be like a little monkey or a little baby bird with his claws on the branch. So we come there and then hop off into a bit of a squat. Step up with the opposite leg, up, up. Take that moment to squeeze, and then a little swing and drop, and up, up and down, and up, up and down. Keep that going. I'm gonna face you this way now. Up, up, woo, mama missed, and down, and up, up. Ooh, it's nice. You can go a little bit wider on the way down. Think narrow, narrow, and a bit wide into your squat. Narrow, narrow, wide. Gotta make sure my block is there. Narrow, narrow, wide. Nice and buoyant in your legs and hips. Narrow, narrow, wide. Narrow. I keep moving my box. Joop. Narrow, narrow, shoot, just 1 more, and narrow, narrow, and wide. Take a moment just to come to standing. Give a little shaky, shaky, shimmy, wiggle dance. Rub those hands together. Notice just in that few moments, the heart might be a little more pumpy. Your breath might be more expansive. Give yourself a nice big thank you. Separate the hands a bit. Feel the buzzing, feel the heat. Left hand over heart, right hand over belly. Take a big breath into your belly, expanding your lower ribs, your upper chest. Inhale. Hold it. Sigh of satisfaction. As a nice big thank you for showing up. In gratitude, I will see you next time.